Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'm going to unbox and review a case for the Google Pixel 9a. Now, I did buy this just after the Pixel 9a was released, and it's been sitting in a drawer up to now. I've decided to change cases just before a trip to Italy, and so this is the case that I purchased on Amazon from a brand called Opkiegrn. That's Opkiegrn. Very strange brand, I can't really pronounce it, Opkiegrn. But here you go. It is a case for the Google Pixel 9a, which also comes with patch installation cleaning kit. So this is interesting because it comes with a screen protector in the box. Interesting. So there you go. It's a glass screen protector. I will not apply that at the moment. I may apply it later. I might do a dedicated video so you can all point and laugh at me because of how I fail on installing this thing. But actually there's two glass screen protectors in here. That's impressive. So okay, let's go. So you've got two glass screen protectors, two cleaning and application kits, and a case, all for under £8 sterling. That looks like it's incredibly good value. I'll leave a link into the description to where you two can purchase this on Amazon. It is an affiliate link, so you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks if you purchase from there. But let's start off by inserting the phone into the case. I'll just switch my phone off. And as you can see at the back, we've got some MagSafe magnets here. Decent cutout for flash and camera module. And apart from that, it's a translucent. You can just make out the purple of the Google Pixel 9a through that. But then it has black casing. And as you can see at the top, we have a cutout for the microphone. At the bottom, we have a cutout for microphone and a USB-C. And a speaker grill as well for the Pixel speaker. Now, the buttons are extended, as you'd expect. These are cutout extensions, and as you can see, there's no stickiness, they just work. And volume up and volume down also work. That's great to see. And what I'm going to do now is go and get a couple of MagSafe accessories. We'll test those. Okay then, so I have a couple of 10,000 mAh power banks, which are MagSafe-like. So they don't have MagSafe branding on them because apparently you need to license that from the Fruity company. But if I attach this using the magnet rings, it's pretty stable on the back, and if I turn it on, do I get charging? Yes, I do. So if I look at the battery at the top here, it is charging. You can see that there. And if I switch the phone off, or just switch the screen off, I need to face it away from me, you can see that it is charging. This is not a fast charging power bank, but it fits nicely on the MagSafe case from Opkiegrn and does a decent job. Let's try another one. This is from a different brand called EXJ. And this one turns on automatically. And I'm seeing charging. So if I switch off, it says that it's charging. So Pixel 9a, great that it has wireless charging, and if you want to have a MagSafe-like experience, this case from Opkiegrn seems to be a good deal on Amazon. As I said, less than £8 at the moment, and you get bonus screen protectors, where if you're a skilled individual who can apply them, well done on you. You get two of them included in the price of the case. I will, as I said, do a separate video so you can all laugh at me about how bad I am at applying screen protectors. it's not a wonder that I'm so bad that I now go to the stand at the mall to have a professional do it for me. Anyway, looking at the case, there seems to be enough of a lift around the edges to keep the screen pretty safe on a not uneven surface. And yeah, it feels nice in the hands, the back is smooth, so I'm actually quite positive about this case. What I would say is maybe the depth here on the screen could be a bit thicker, but then that would make your life more difficult with gesture navigation. It's a question of personal preferences here. But I think, as I said, for less than £8, it's a decent buy. And as usual, I'll link in the description where you too can purchase this case on Amazon, and by doing so, supporting Tech Travel Geeks. Let us know in the comments if you would like to point and laugh at me for how I apply screen protectors very badly, and I will do that video. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. And as usual, leave us a like, leave us a comment. If there's anything else you want to ask us, we'll do our best to get back to you. And in the meantime, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.